How many types of mining permits that mining owners should have in Indonesia? To carry out mining activities in Indonesia, it is necessary to own permits in accordance with the latest government regulations and other applicable laws in Indonesia. The stages of mining start from general investigation, exploration, feasibility study, construction, mining, processing and refining, transportation and sales, and post-mining. These stages can be fully or partially carried out by one mining company. It depends on the type of mining permit the company owns. The following are the different types of mining permits in Indonesia. 1. Mining Services Permit. IUJP is a permit granted to carry out core mining business activities related to the stages and or parts of mining business activities. 2. Mining Exploration Permit. A mining exploration permit is a business permit granted to carry out the general investigation, exploration and feasibility study stages. This permit will be obtained after the mining company has obtained a mining business area permit from the region/province/governor. 3. Special Exploration Mining Permit. IUJP Explorari is a business permit granted to carry out the general investigation, exploration, and feasibility study stages in the special mining business permit area. IUJP Exploration has the same validity period as the IUJP Exploration. The only difference is that the IUJP Exploration permit is granted by the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources. 4. Production Operation Mining Permit. IUJP is a business permit granted after the completion of the IUJP exploration implementation to carry out activities that include construction, mining, processing and or purification, transportation and sales. 5. Special Production Operation Mining Permit. IUJP is a business permit granted after the completion of the IUJP exploration implementation to carry out production operation activities. IUJP has the same validity period as the IUJP. The only difference is that the IUJP permit is granted by the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources. 6. Special Production Operation Mining Permit for Processing and or Purification. IUJP is a business permit granted to purchase, transport, process and purify and sell mineral or coal mining yield commodities. The IUJP is granted for a maximum of 30 years and can be extended for a period of 20 years for each extension. The authority over IUJP is handled by the Minister if a. The mining commodities to be processed come from other provincial areas outside the location of the processing and or refining facilities. b. The mining commodities to be processed come from abroad, and or c. If the location of the processing and refining facilities is in a cross-provincial area. The authority over IUJP is handled by the governor if a. The mining commodity to be processed comes from the same province as the location of the processing and or refining facility, and or b. If the location of the processing and or refining facility is within one province. 7. Special Production Operation Mining Permit for Transportation and Sales. IUJP is a business license granted to companies to purchase, transport, and sell mineral or coal mining commodities. The authority over IUJP is granted by the Minister if a. The transportation and sales activities are carried out on provincial and or cross-border lines. The authority of IUJP for transportation and sales is granted by the governor if b. The transportation and sales activities are carried out in one provincial area. In addition to the mining permits described above, there are still two types of mining permits that existed before Law No. 4 of 2009, namely Contract of Work and Coal Mining Concession Work Agreement. Contract of Work, hereinafter abbreviated as KK, is an agreement between the government of the Republic of Indonesia and a company incorporated as an Indonesian legal entity to carry out mineral mining business activities. Schinder law firm has had years of experience in these matters, supported by numerous number of civil and corporate lawyers in its team, making Schinder law firm one of the biggest corporate law firms in Jakarta. For more information regarding the registration of mining business permits, you may contact us at info@schinderlawfirm.com.